Hello everyone, this is Corbin from Zoco Marketing. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to deploy Google Analytics through Google Tag Manager onto your site. Show you just how easy this is to do. So have a brand new Google Tag Manager container here. We're going to be adding a new tag. So we're here in tags. We're going to click on new. First, we need to configure the tag, but before we do that, I'm going to give this a name. So I'm just going to call this Google Analytics. And then we're going to hit on here on the tag. And right here, boom, right? And the first thing, obviously, Google works good with Google, so we're going to do Universal Analytics. If you do have a web app, these are going, or an app, you might look into doing one of these Google Analytics, but for majority of the people, we're going to want Google Analytics, Universal Analytics. So we're going to click on this, and we want to track every page view. And if this is your first time putting in Google Analytics, you're going to have to come in here to a new variable. And we need to insert our tracking ID into this spot right here. So we're going to go to Google Analytics. How you find that is you go over here to admin. Then we go to tracking info, tracking code. And right here, right here at the top, we have our analytics tracking code we're going to hit. We're going to copy that guy, go back over to Google Tag Manager, insert that tracking ID. We're not going to worry about changing anything like this. This is going to stay on auto. These more settings, don't worry about this right now. Just leave these as B. Hit save. We're going to keep this naming as Google Analytics settings. Save that. Awesome. So now we have the tag configured. Now you need to configure the trigger. And the trigger is basically just saying, when does this tag fire? And for Google Analytics, you most of the time you're going to want it firing on every page. So we're going to click on here, and right here, this is the only trigger that we have. It's just a default trigger that's in Google Analytics. We're going to hit all page view, and that is how we added Google Analytics. If you wanted, for whatever reason, the Google Analytics tag not to fire on a certain page, you could add an exception, but majority of the people, that won't really apply to them. So we're going to hit save here. And there we have it, is our Google Analytics tag. Now, if you wanted to go through and preview the changes, you could preview it and look in Google Analytics. But for this case, we are just going to hit submit here. Give this a version, a name. So I'm going to just call this Google Analytics tag. And then this is firing on all pages. You can give this a description if you'd like from this version name. I think most people would understand what's going on there. And we are going to hit publish. It's very important that you hit the publish tag after creating a new tag, because if you don't, then what you've created inside of there won't fire at all. And that is how you add Google Analytics to your Google Tag Manager account. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you would like some more quick tips for digital marketing. Thanks.